Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to make a private story on the Snapchat. So process is pretty simple. If you really want to make a private story on the Snapchat, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Snapchat mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see profile icon on the left top, so you have to click on it. Once you will click on it, here you will see your profile, so you have to click on this private story button here, and once you will do it, you have to select a friend that you want to add in your private story. Let's suppose I want to add these two friends in my private story, so simply click on the create story from here. Now enter the name of this private story. So let's suppose I enter the tutorial snap. So simply click on the save button. So once you will do it, you have to click on this view more button. So here you will see tutorial snap story is here. So whenever you want to add a story in this section, simply click on it and share it. So this is only show to these friends you have added in the private story. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.